Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change who can speak in a space on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the latest update on your PC. Let's get started by opening X in your web browser. Once you're logged in, look for the Spaces icon, which you'll find in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it to see the available spaces, or to start your own. If you're hosting or managing a space, click to enter the space you want to adjust. At the top of the space window, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these to open the menu. From here, select Space Settings. This is where you control who can speak during your space. Inside Space Settings, you'll see options for speaker permissions. By default, only people you invite can speak, but you can change this at any time. The available options are Everyone, people you follow, or only people you invite to speak. Simply select the option that best fits your needs for the conversation. If you want to open the floor to all listeners, choose Everyone. If you prefer a more controlled discussion, select people you follow or keep it to just those you invite. After making your selection, your changes will be saved automatically. Now, only the people you've allowed will be able to request to speak or join the conversation as speakers. Remember, as the host, you're always in control. You can add or remove speakers, mute participants, or even end the space at any time. This flexibility helps you keep your space engaging and safe for everyone involved. That's it. You've just learned how to change who can speak in a space on X using your PC. With these simple steps, you can manage your audio conversations and create the perfect environment for your community. Thanks for watching and enjoy hosting your next space.